Lesson 18, Phrases. Let's warm up initiative and self-direction. Which group of words make the complete meaning? Tick on them. 1. In the school. 2. The train will reach in a short while. 3. In a short while. 4. The girl in red frock is my sister. 5. In the red frock. 6. The boys are playing in the school. Let's observe analytical skills. Read the following groups of words. 1. To play cricket. 2. Made of gold. 3. At noon. Now observe if the above groups of words contain a subject and a predicate and they make complete sense. Let's learn conceptual learning. Let us now use the groups of words in complete sentences. 1. They want to play cricket. 2. Maya bought a necklace made of gold. 3. I reached home at noon. There are some groups of words which are not sentences with complete sense but they express a certain meaning. These groups of words are called phrases. A phrase is a part of a sentence. Kinds of phrases. Noun phrase, it functions as a noun in a sentence. Adjective phrase, it functions as an adjective in a sentence. Adverb phrase, it functions as an adverb. Prepositional phrase, it begins with a preposition and functions as a noun or adjective or adverb. Noun phrase. A noun phrase is a meaningful group of words doing the function of a noun. It functions as a subject noun or an object noun as shown below. Example: eating balanced diet keeps you fit and healthy. Highlighted part is noun phrase. Adjective phrase. It modifies an adjective. Similarly, if a phrase modifies an adjective, it is said to be an adjective phrase. Examples: 1. The beautiful lady. 2. The lady with a beautiful appearance. In sentence 1, the word beautiful is an adjective that adds meaning to the noun lady. In sentence 2, the phrase with a beautiful appearance is a phrase that does the function of an adjective, so it is an adjective phrase. Most often, adjective phrases are equivalent to adjectives. Adjectives. Adjective phrases. A gold necklace, a necklace made of gold. A cotton mill, a mill produces cotton. An Asian elephant, an elephant of Asian origin. The longest day, the day of longest length. A small house, a house of small size. Adverb phrase. As we know that an adverb modifies a verb, an adjective or another adverb. Similarly, an adverb phrase performs the same action adding meaning to a verb or an adjective or another adverb. Adverbs and adverb phrase often show how, when, where or in which manner an action takes place. Sentences with adverb phrase function. He wants the book now. He wants the book at this very moment. When? Leaders were held in high esteem then. Leaders were held in high esteem in those days. When? Aruna was sitting idle. Aruna was sitting in an idle manner. How? Ram searched everywhere. Ram searched in all places. Where? Adverb phrases also modify an adjective and another adverb. Examples: the play was staged well on the whole. Well, adverb on the whole, adverb phrase. B. Morning walk is good for health. Good adjective for health, adverb phrase. Some adverbs and equivalent adverb phrases. Adverbs, adverb, phrases, bravely, in a brave manner, or with bravery, unwisely, in an unwise manner, or without wisdom, swiftly, in a swift manner, formerly, in former times, or once upon a time, recently, just now, or at a recent date, soon before, very long, or at an early date, there, at that place, away, to another place, abroad, into a foreign country, hard, in a difficult manner. Grammar Connect. Phrases are building blocks for constructing sentences with various structure. They add richness to the language. Prepositional phrase. It is made up of a preposition and a noun phrase. We use prepositional phrases for many purposes as follows: as an adjective in a noun phrase. Example: Helen was not the girl with born deformity. With double object verbs like give and get. Example: they got a gift for me. After certain verbs, nouns and adjectives. Example: Rekha entered into an argument with her friends. To show who did something. Example: the tiger was shot dead by the hunter. As adverbial of time and place. Example: they will be back in 2 days.